Are you looking for the best strategy you can use in OET Listening Part A? Tip number 1 is to not panic if you miss an answer. Remember, you're only going to hear the audio once, so if you miss an answer, try not to panic and just move on to the next one. Tip number 2 is to stay focused. If you do lose your place in the audio, try to use the headings to help guide you and get you back on track. Tip number 3, do not write too much information for each gap. Remember, only one word or a short phrase is going to be enough. And tip number 4, try as best as you can to write your answers nice and clearly and get your spelling correct. Well, that's it for this video. I hope that you found it useful. If you have a question, please feel free to add that and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Now, if you're looking for more materials and support with your OET listening test, then head on over to our website, www.swooshenglish.com. Take a look at our exam preparation courses. We've got mock exams, live classes, writing corrections, and so much more. Don't forget that if you're studying for OET, you need expert help and advice, and Swoosh English can provide that for you.